So today in Drive Labs, we're talking about our prediction net deep neural network.
That is a lot of noise that no one else needs to hear. Okay, that's better. That's so much better.
Yes, there was recently a sign of extraterrestrial life on Venus. What else do you want to know?
What do we think we're looking at for Wednesday in terms of layout?
这个设计的整体结构图是在没有包装或是模型前执行的。我们会需要一点时间改动。
Hey everyone, this is Victoria. I hope you're all doing well. So today we're going to be catching up on the latest from NVIDIA research.
AI is revolutionizing many sectors of the industry right now, and NVIDIA is at the forefront of this revolution. AI is revolutionizing many sectors of the industry right now, and NVIDIA is at the forefront of this revolution.